In this video, I will show you how to use your Chase Sapphire preferred points for travel. So to do this, just to head over to chase.com, and from here you want to click on travel right there. Then just click travel. Now if you don't know, 1 point basically generally equates to 1 cent in value. So if you have 10,000 points, that's $100. Now from here, all you want to go and do is just sign into your account, and basically through the Chase travel portal, you can book flights, hotels and other things, and you can just use it for traveling. So this is the easiest way to use your Chase Sapphire preferred points for travel. However, there's also a different way, and you can see those right here. So the second way is transferring your points to Chase travel partners, such as airlines and hotels, or redeeming your points for gift cards or statement credits. Now you can just search for Chase travel partners. And for example, here's a blog post about some travel partners that you can transfer your points to. So for example, there's a complete airline list right here and a complete hotel list. You will see a bunch of hotels that you can book using your Chase points. So now you know how to use your Chase Sapphire preferred points for travel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.